Easy cash for those in a rush. Here are 12 websites for free easy money daily. Let's get going. MacMoney. This app touts the promise of earning money simply by receiving text messages, positioning itself as a passive income source. However, it's important to approach this opportunity with caution. Reviews from users and experts alike have rated MacMoney quite low, citing concerns about its legitimacy and payout structure. While the idea of making money effortlessly from your phone may sound appealing, it's crucial to exercise skepticism in the world of online income opportunities. Many users have reported that the earnings from MacMoney are minimal, and the time and effort required don't seem to align with the promised rewards. Before dealing with this app, consider exploring other online income avenues that may offer more lucrative returns for your time and investment. It's essential to research and read reviews to make informed decisions about where to invest your time and energy in pursuit of financial gains. Amazon Trade-In. For those looking to declutter and earn Amazon gift cards in the process, the Amazon Trade-In program can be an attractive option. This service allows users to trade in various items, including electronics, books, and more, in exchange for Amazon gift cards. It's a convenient way to convert unused items into digital credits for future Amazon purchases. However, it's important to note that the Amazon Trade-In program may not always offer the highest value for your items. While the convenience factor is undeniable, some users have reported that they received lower trade-in values compared to selling their items through other platforms or marketplaces. Therefore, it's advisable to compare trade-in values and prices offered elsewhere before deciding to use this service. Ultimately, Amazon Trade-In can be a convenient choice for those looking to make the most of their unused items, but it's worth considering all your options to ensure you're getting the best value for your items. Webull. Webull is a stock trading app that has gained attention for its enticing offer of free stocks upon signing up and depositing money. Marketed as a platform for both beginners and experienced investors, Webull aims to make investing in the stock market accessible to a wide range of users. The concept of receiving free stocks can be an appealing incentive to start investing, but it's important to approach this opportunity with some caution. While Webull provides a user-friendly interface and access to a variety of stocks, it's essential to remember that investing in the stock market carries inherent risks. Before participating, take the time to educate yourself about stock market fundamentals and investment strategies. Webull can be a valuable tool for those interested in stock trading, but informed decision-making is key to successful investing. Capital One Shopping. In the world of online shopping, who doesn't love a great deal? Capital One Shopping, a browser extension, aims to make your online shopping experience even better by helping you find coupons and deals effortlessly. This handy extension automatically scours the web for available discounts, promo codes, and deals when you're making online purchases. It can be a fantastic money-saving tool, especially if you're a frequent online shopper. Capital One Shopping is compatible with many popular online retailers, making it a valuable addition to your web browser. However, it's important to remember that while Capital One Shopping can help you save money, it may not always find discounts for every product or store. Additionally, make sure to review your privacy settings and data usage preferences when using browser extensions. Gamey Prizes. For gaming enthusiasts seeking to turn their passion into potential rewards, Gamey Prizes offers a unique opportunity. This mobile app allows users to play games on their phones and accumulate tickets, which automatically enter them into a weekly giveaway. The concept of earning rewards while indulging in gaming may sound appealing, but it's important to approach Gamey Prizes with some considerations. While some users have reported winning prizes, the chances of winning can vary and the rewards may not always be substantial. Gamey Prizes can be an entertaining way to potentially win money while enjoying your favorite games, but it's wise to set realistic expectations and prioritize responsible gaming. Zap Survey. In a world where spare moments can turn into valuable opportunities, Zap Survey steps in as a convenient solution. This mobile app offers users the chance to earn extra cash by taking short surveys. The appeal of Zap Survey lies in its simplicity and flexibility. Whether you have a few minutes between appointments or want to make productive use of your downtime, you can access surveys on various topics and start earning. However, it's essential to set realistic expectations. While Zap Survey can provide a modest source of extra cash, the earnings may not be substantial. Additionally, make sure to read the app's terms, payment policies, and data usage information. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. UserPeak. If you've ever wondered how you can get paid for your opinions and insights, UserPeak might be the answer. This platform offers users the opportunity to earn money by testing websites and sharing valuable feedback. The process is straightforward. Users are tasked with navigating websites and providing their impressions, highlighting any usability issues or areas for improvement. This feedback is incredibly valuable to businesses and website owners, making it a win-win situation. While it may not provide a full-time income, it can be a great source of extra cash, especially for those who enjoy exploring websites and sharing their thoughts. Tapestry. In the age of data-driven marketing, the Tapestry app offers users a unique proposition. This platform collects and sells user data for marketing purposes, and in exchange, users are compensated for allowing their data to be gathered. The idea behind Tapestry is straightforward. As you engage with the app and go about your digital activities, it collects information that is valuable to marketers. This data is then anonymized and used for targeted advertising campaigns. While Tapestry provides a way to monetize your online presence, it's crucial to understand the implications. You're essentially trading some privacy for compensation. Make sure to review the app's privacy policies and data usage practices to make an informed decision about participating. Cambly. If you're proficient in the English language and enjoy helping others improve their language skills, Cambly is a unique opportunity to do just that while earning money. Cambly is an English tutoring service that connects users with students worldwide seeking to enhance their English language proficiency. The concept is simple. Users can sign up to become tutors on Cambly and engage in conversations with students eager to practice English. The flexible nature of this platform means you can chat with students at your convenience, making it an ideal side gig or part-time opportunity. Cambly offers an enjoyable way to share your language expertise and cultural insights while earning an income. However, it's essential to remember that teaching requires patience and effective communication skills. IntelliShop. If you've ever wondered how to make money while shopping, IntelliShop provides a fascinating answer. This platform is a mystery shopping service that pays users to visit stores, restaurants, or other businesses and provide detailed reports on their experiences. The process is intriguing yet straightforward. Users, known as mystery shoppers, are tasked with evaluating various aspects of their visits, such as customer service, product quality, and store cleanliness. These insights help businesses improve their operations and customer experiences. However, it's important to remember that accuracy and attention to detail are crucial in mystery shopping. Users must follow specific guidelines and provide honest, unbiased feedback. AI-powered services on Fiverr. In the ever-evolving landscape of freelance work and online marketplaces, the integration of AI tools is changing the game. Platforms like Fiverr now offer individuals the opportunity to harness AI technology to provide services, such as copywriting or creative writing. This innovative approach combines human creativity with the efficiency and speed of artificial intelligence. Freelancers can use AI-driven writing tools to generate high-quality content, optimize SEO, and enhance productivity. This not only benefits sellers by streamlining their work processes, but also offers clients access to cost-effective services without compromising quality. The emergence of AI-powered services on Fiverr signifies the growing synergy between technology and freelancing, creating exciting opportunities for both service providers and clients. Thumbtack. Whether you have a skill to offer or a task to be done, Thumbtack bridges the gap. This platform connects people with professionals who can perform a wide array of tasks and services. If you have expertise in areas like plumbing, landscaping, tutoring, or even event planning, you can make money by offering your skills on Thumbtack. It's a marketplace where individuals can turn their talents into income, and clients can find trusted professionals for their needs. Thumbtack provides a valuable opportunity for both service providers and those seeking reliable help, making it a versatile platform in the gig economy. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.